logo that I've ever like seen like online shopping. Like look at this. This is so pretty. Wow. Okay, Savannah. Okay, Savannah, I'm buying for you next time. Thank you for sending me this. I wish I could say that this is not a PR box, guys. This is not sponsored. This is by my own money, by my own savings. Okay. So bye. So I can finally sit and talk because one of my exams over and tomorrow I have an exams. I won't be saying my exam went very well because it was average, not very good, very bad, very average I would say. I'm very tired, guys. Literally, you can see my dark circles. I'm so tired, my legs are hurting so bad and my cramps are getting severe, like worst. So today I'm gonna take a rest, I'm gonna edit this vlog and I'm gonna watch other vlogs as well, and I have to study later on. By evening I have to study, so for right now it's 11:25, so I'm gonna rest till maybe 3-4 p.m. because guys, I need it. Okay, I haven't slept for some hours maybe, I don't know, but that sleep is insufficient and my body is aching right now, but that's totally fine. I can handle it, and I guess I will be ending this vlog right here for now, and if not I'll add what I do in the evening, but I wanted to end it right here for now because I'm not feeling that great. So yeah, thank you so much guys for staying so far, and I love you guys so much for your love and support.